Jai Sriman Narayana. 6th sloka of 4th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Ajopi san avyayatma bhutanam Ishvaropi san prakrutim swam adhishtaya sambhavami atmamayaya. Om. Sriman Narayana comes down in different forms at his own will. If we surrender to Sriman Narayana, we will also get that freedom. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommends that every one of us should surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Now let us respond to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, O Sriman Narayana, I do understand that you come down in different forms at your own will. I shall surrender to you to attain that freedom. O Sriman Narayana, I shall act according to your word. O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone. Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 9th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, from Atri Maharshi's eyes, Somo Amrutamayaha Kila, Chandra, that moon, is born. So Chaturmukha Brahma made Soma, the moon, as a master of all the Brahmanas, Oshadhis, that medicines, and the stars, nakshatras. And then that Soma, after conquering all three worlds, and he performed Rajasuya Yagam. He became so proud, arrogant, and he abducted Brahaspati's wife Tara. How many times ever Brahaspati asked Soma to return his wife, he never did that. And because of that, Devasura Sangramam, the war between Devatas and Asuras started. What happened is, because Shukra doesn't like Brihaspati, so Shukra took a side of Soma. And Paramasiva, Haro Guru Sutam Snehat Sarvabhuta Ganavrutaha. Paramasiva, along with his Pramadaganas, took side of Brihaspati. And then Devendra also took the side of Brihaspati. Like that, just for Brihaspati's wife Tara, such a huge war started between Devatas and Asuras. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasetravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 4th chapter, 6th sloka. Ajopi sannavyayatma bhutanam isvaropi san prakritim svamadhisthaya sambhavami atmamayaya. Ajopi sannavyayatma bhutanam isvaropi san prakritim svamadhisthaya sambhavami atmamayaya. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.